Hello, everyone. This is an overview of the database Hoonuit, offered by the East Central Regional Library. Hoonuit and all of our databases and digital content are available on our website and are free to use. All you need are an East Central Regional Library card and an internet connection. To access our digital library, first go to our website at ecrlib.org. All online resources can be found under the Resource tab. Here, you can find our list of databases, highlighted here with the red arrow, our ebook platforms, and targeted collections for different age groups. If you click on subject guides, you will also find things sorted by topic. One thing to note, Hoonuit, the database we'll be talking about today, is run in conjunction with RB Digital. So when you select Hoonuit in the ECRL database menu, you will be taken to the RB Digital login portal. If this is the first time that you have access to an RB Digital database, you will need to create an account using your library card number and email address. Once your account is created, you will use your login information, so your email address and password, to get into the database. Hoonuit is a comprehensive database of how-to training tutorials. Videos are shorter and more segmented so you can pinpoint your area of interest and dive right in. It has lots of content on software. Microsoft, Apple, Adobe, and Google products are covered. It has tutorials on how to use social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and WordPress, and programs like Firefox or Dropbox. It has modules on video conferencing platforms, including Zoom, and it also has job training resources and content on how to use mobile devices. So Hoonuit's courses are collections of 1 to 3 minute training tutorials. This allows you to learn at your own pace, skip lessons you're already familiar with, and review lessons that prove more difficult. An example of how I have used this: when I was in grad school, I had to complete a data analysis assignment for a class. Now, I used to be an English major, and data is not my strength. But I went into Hoonuit, I looked up the module for Microsoft Excel, found the videos for the formulas I needed to use, and I ended up getting full points on the assignment. So this database is really practical, easy to use, and it's a helpful resource. Hoonuit has content on soft skills that are vital in the workplace. There's a long list here, and these could be helpful if you are preparing to enter the workforce for the first time, if you are looking for a job, or you just want to brush up on your skills. Hoonuit also has educational resources. These are important topics for adults, students, and teachers. If you are a student learning from home, are a parent of kids learning from home, or are a teacher looking to equip your students, Hoonuit is a great tool for you. Now, another example of how Hoonuit can be used. I once spoke with a woman who was a Windows user, but her husband used Apple products. Whenever he wanted to do something on his computer, she wasn't able to help him because the two platforms are just so different. So she wanted to know if Hoonuit could help her learn how to navigate his MacBook. We did some digging and we found that yes, if she knew what operating software the computer was using, Hoonuit had content that could help her. Hoonuit also has material on digital literacy. So as we all know, the internet is an incredible tool, but all tools can be used poorly. Hoonuit has content on how the internet works, how to use it effectively, and how to use it responsibly. This is especially important in a time when so much of our daily life is moving online. There are also modules on how to create various multimedia content. So here's a screenshot of the home page in Hoonuit. So once you're in the database, you can access content in a number of ways. New and featured content are featured on the home page, and there's also a search bar, and there are pathways that guide you through sets of programs. And if you click the menu, which is the 3 little lines next to where it says Hoonuit, and you click View All Categories, you can see everything on one page. And here's an example of what the courses look like. What I like about Hoonuit is that you can take a comprehensive approach. So if you want to learn Excel, you can start at the beginning of a module and you can watch every single video. And you can see the videos are listed on the right. Or you can do what I did and you just jump right in at your point of need. One note about Hoonuit is that all of its content is transcribed. So as you're watching the videos, the words show up in highlighted below the video box. And so it's available for a variety of abilities, which is pretty great. So we launched Hoonuit along with many other databases in direct response to our local users who requested resources like these to support their interests and their needs. And there are all kinds of ways that you can use this resource to pursue your personal interests, to meet your continuing education goals, to prepare your work, to brush up on your tech skills, and to help grow your career. So that's all that I have for you today. If you have questions or would like more information about this resource, please reach out to us. We have staff answering the phones during the day, but you can also fill out the content form on our website by typing the link that I have here in your web browser. Or you can talk with us via the Ask Minnesota chat box, which is available on the right-hand side of our website. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the library soon.